galvanic cells. And this is when you put together an electrochemical reaction and you are producing an electric current. It's a spontaneous reaction, so we need to separate them, the half reactions, into two containers to be able to let message okay, so when you draw this, you draw it to show a picture of what you would set up for real. So you have two beakers, okay, and they're going to be connected by a wire, and that wire is going to be attached to electrodes that are in the solution. It also needs a salt bridge, okay? Okay, so salt bridge, a U-shaped tube filled with an electrolyte. It also usually has an agar, which is a gel, and commonly it has sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate in it so that we're always soluble. Now let's use this reaction down here with zinc and silver. Okay, so we'll let this be zinc and this be silver. So there's going to be a solution in here with zinc ions and then a counter ion, quite commonly nitrate, again because of the always soluble. My liquid level would have to be above my salt bridge, or else my salt bridge is not going to be able to complete my circuit and balance my charges. And then over here I would have silver ions and then counter ion. Okay, now oxidation occurs at the anode and reduction occurs at the cathode. So we need to know which is which. So let's go down and look at cell potential. Our cell potential is our electromotive force. We use an E for it. And our unit is joules per coulomb of charge, which we call a volt. And we have a table of standard reduction potentials. So we need to figure out which is oxidized and which is reduced. So if this is our equation, well, our half reactions here are zinc going to zinc 2 plus, and that would be 2 electrons. And then we would have silver plus 1 electron, silver ions, excuse me, going to silver. So this is the reduction, this is the oxidation. So back up here, oxidation is zinc. So this is the anode and this is the cathode. And our electrons flow from anode to cathode. So our electrons are flowing in this direction because oxidation means a loss of electrons, reduction means a gain of electrons, so the zinc is losing electrons, and the silver would be gaining electrons.